Welcome, welcome, welcome. I just want to say good morning to my subscribers and my viewers. I just want to say thank you all for subscribe to my channel, and please, if you guys could share my channel and like my videos, and also for my viewers, please hit the subscribe button. So right now I'm going on a little project, and it's a beautiful day. It's a very beautiful day today. So to all you guys watching, God bless you guys. And right now I'm going over a bridge. Going over a beautiful bridge. And today it is so beautiful. I want to give God thanks for life, because life is the greatest. So today's mission is to go do some paint project and about like what I normally do. So my contents is all about working on boats and show my single father's life in America. So I just want to say thank you all guys whoever watch this video. Thank you guys so much. Stick and tune for my project coming up. God bless you all. Stay tuned. So right now we're driving over a harbor bridge, which is so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. I actually like this bridge. It is so beautiful. You guys just stick and tune. You guys gonna see what I'm doing. Yeah, guys. So right now I'm actually on the boat, and today's project is painting project. So this is what I got going on. If you could see, I'm doing some grinding. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish grind, finish cleaned up, and then I'm gonna start it to put some protection on the spot that I grind, which is AliPrep. So AliPrep is this product that I'm gonna use on the aluminum. So after I will prime the aluminum after I finish clean and AliPrep, and after I prime I'm gonna sand, and then I'm gonna put the final paint coats on everything, and then you guys will see the finishing once I am finished. Okay, and this is the boat that I'm on. So you guys will see the end of the result. Remember, please subscribe and like my video. Help me grow my channel. I have a lot of content coming up. Single father life in America. And I see you soon. Thank you.